love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with ISEE Hair and they sent me their new block wig. So what's cool about the block wig is that it's like a build a wig in a box type of situation. They'll send you a base, which they call block B, and then they will send you two lace options. Mine happen to be two closure wigs. This one is a nice 9x6 silky straight lace closure, and then this here is my second option, and this here is a closure wig as well, except we have a little bit of party action with the highlights. This is what it looks like in the inside, and I'm going to go into full details, but you will see me try this one on and this one on as well. And these are called the block R for replace, and as you guys can see, you kind of like hook it, you zip it around, hook it, and then you're good to go, and you can take this one off. And what's even cooler about this technology is that when you apply it, it still fits 100% glueless. It's nice and seamless, and I'm in love. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, I have all the details down below, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, love bugs, just when I thought I'd seen it all, ISEE Hair did their big one. This here is a new and improved, crazy, insane, I thought was impossible, but clearly is not, innovative technology from ISEE Hair. This is the beautiful packaging, and as you guys can see, they did their big one sharing this one. So it does come with language on your wig, or plural if you will. This here is block B. This is your base, and then you have block R here, and this is replace. So you can have the base and the replace all in one, and I'm going to show you about this in just a moment. Getting right into it, this here is a block that was like right here, and inside you do get some free goodies. I'll share these in just a moment, but you get like your melt belt, you get your band, you even get HD wig caps, and look how cute this is. So I'll get more into detail with that, but this is block B and this is block R. So let's go ahead and check out block B first. Let's get to the base. Okay, so this is the first box here, and as you guys can see, it came with two bags in there. I saw a B and I didn't even pay attention that it says R, so you do get two pieces in here. You get a base and you get a replace all in this one box, and then in this box here you get an additional replace. So we're gonna have two laces, which is absolutely insane. So let me open them up for you. Okay, so this was in the smaller bag, and this is gonna be the base. It's a beautiful straight lace, and this is what it looks like. So as you guys can see, it's set up as literally the base of any wig you've seen before. It has the adjustable strap in the back, it has the comb here, and then it also has a zipper around so that we can attach whatever we like and have a little bit of fun. So just so you guys can see, it appears to be like a hook or a latch right here, and then you also have the zipper, so you'll be able to latch it on and then zip it around. So let's go ahead and see what else we have. Okay, so this is our first replace. We are going for that beautiful skunk stripe, or you can just say blonde highlight, and it goes that beautiful highlight in the front. And this is a pre-everything closure, so you guys can see the lace is pre-cut with that beautiful scallop cut. The knots are pre-bleached, and then the hairline is pre-plucked to perfection. It's a bust down middle, so you can definitely wear it as so, but as you guys can see, the closure is wide enough that you will be able to do a side part if that is your jam. You also get the adjustable and removable elastic band, so you can take this out if you don't want it, or you can also, you know, adjust it to make it tighter. And then you guys can see here there's a little velcro piece here to attach, and then you also will have like your zipper that goes all the way around, and then on this side you also have the rest of the zipper as well as the hook. So I showed you the hook on the base, and then the replace also has that hook, so you can kind of like hook it on, zip it around, and you are secure. And then you also have smaller combs, so you definitely can go in and really get yours secure. Let me show you the other one and then we will install. Okay, so here is the second replace, and this one tells you exactly what this one is. It says 9x6 skin lace texture straight 24-inch. Okay, so this is a 9x6 pre-everything replace, and as you guys can see, she is nice and full and long. And then on the inside, you guys can see it has that, and then on the inside you can see it has that fake scalp, and then above that you have that perfect hairline. The knots on this one also are pre-bleached, the hairline is pre-plucked, and the lace is pre-cut. This one definitely gives the illusion of a frontal because it's gonna go all the way over. And again, you have the same setup where you do have your smaller combs right at the front for a little security. You have this Velcro piece here, and then it goes all the way around to zip onto that base. And then on this side, you also have a piece of that Velcro, and behind it, you have that hook. So this is pretty much where you would attach your zipper. So hopefully you guys can get a really good view of what this looks like. Now that we have both, we have our fun party over here, and then we also have something that's really nice for a little bit more conservative day to day. And again, they're both closures, but this one here is a little bit different, so you get a different vibe for each. So I'm trying to decide which one I want to do first. I think I'm gonna go fun party first, and then we're gonna go to this one because I'm gonna be a soccer mom immediately, or even a dance mom immediately after this video. So I went ahead and removed the tag, and now let's go ahead and zip it on. I just did my nails, so if I'm getting this all over the place, excuse me. Okay, so we're gonna do the blonde highlight first. Let's go ahead and attach our pieces. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, this is a hook, and then this is the hook attachment. So I'm just gonna hook it on like so, and as you guys can see, it's hooked. That's like a little extra security. And then from here, I'm gonna take and zip it. So just like you would zip your jacket or your toddler's jacket, bring it all the way down on this piece, the little roller piece, lock it in, push it down, and now I'm gonna hold it together, and I'm gonna just pull the string. And I already got started a little bit, but you guys can see I'm just gonna zip it all the way to the other side. And then when you get to the other side, make sure you bring it all the way. And then on this side, we also have the same little hook. Lock it in. And my string from the zipper is on the inside, so it will not be able to be seen. Now we have a wig. Look at this. So this is the inside construction of the cap. Let me go ahead and make it inside out. I've heard it's easier to do this. Look at that. You can barely even see. It's nice and seamless. And this is where everything meets. So you can lay that down with a little Velcro, and everything is perfect like any other wig you have, except this one here, you'll be able to switch them out. So next thing you can do is go ahead and adjust the straps. I'm gonna keep it a little bit wider than I normally would, just because this is my first time doing this type of wig, so I just want to see what it's going to give before I make it too tight. And it's nice and seamless, just like any other wig. Like, you can't tell that anything weird or different was done. This is the back, or the base piece. This is the lace piece. The hair is exactly the same color as far as that dark color goes, and it meshes and marries so smooth and seamless. So let's put her on and do a quick little install. Okay, so you anchor it on with the adjustable elastic band, just like any other wig. It's nice and durable. Take the back, flip it on, flip it over, and that flip over was just the same as any other wig. Now that we have her on, we're gonna do our due diligence to make her, you know, look good. But as you guys can see, she fits glueless. I mean, you guys have seen me try on 1,000,001 wigs, and one thing I will say that they did an amazing job with is this is a closure wig, and as you guys can see, it's everything. That lace blends really good before you even add any powder or lace tint. But I love the fact that even though this is a closure, they hit it on the nail, because a lot of the times the tracks go backwards, so you see all of my business on the side. You can see my sideburns and all that. And while yes, I do need to clean mine up a little bit, they were smart enough to kind of like lay the tracks going down. So rather than you see all of my sideburns and my hairline, you literally just see their lace, and then it comes down to cover whatever you have going. So you don't even have to worry about camouflaging anything on the side. And this is the first time I've ever seen this done. Again, it's so smooth and seamless. My braids are not flat underneath, but you cannot tell anything is altered or changed. It fits nice and snug. It literally is not going anywhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and do all of my steps. We're gonna go ahead and do no baby hair today, because the hairline is, like when they said pre-plucked hairline, they really did that. So no baby hair today. Let's go ahead and no baby hair today. Let's go ahead and listen to some music. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten her out, do my dynamic duo, and then we will get our thoughts and just see if this is legit or not. And then we're gonna switch to the other replays. Okay, so I went ahead and straightened your girl down, and this is what she looks like. Okay, look at how beautiful this one looks. Let me push you guys back. Okay, keep in mind this one is still, you guys are shaking. Keep in mind that this one is still 100% glueless. Look at how beautiful and healthy the hair looks. You can't tell the fact that one is like a base and the other is a replace. When you zip it on and you kind of do your little quick 1-2 and brush it in, silk press it, it all becomes one. And the icing on the cake on this one is that the hairline is 100% glueless. I haven't even used the melt belt to bond it down, and it's nice and smooth. You guys know I definitely want to go in and add a little bit of baby hair. That's just my jam, but I'm just trying to keep it simple with this one because you don't have to really do too much. And of course, you guys love it when I do no baby hair, so I'm gonna keep it as no baby hair. And look, it's absolutely flawless. 10 out of 10. I would highly recommend. Okay, so we went and picked up Dominic from school. We also stopped at the post office to go ahead and drop off some orders for a previous wig sale, and your girl is looking fly. I just love this one so much. I don't even want to replace. The great thing is I can pop this one on to show you guys. So let's just show you guys in real time how quick and easy it is to replace. Okay, quick catch up, I guess you can say. We went ahead and put this one on, and as the one thing that's missing from this one is the elastic band, which of course there was one in the other wig. This one didn't have one inside, but you know this extra block that we had that had all our extra stuff in there, you get an extra elastic band in there, so you can definitely go in and take it out of your box, attach it like so. I think I'm attaching it backwards, but now I'm pressed for time because it's almost time to hit ballet. We do ballet on Tuesdays, and I think I hear the kids coming in, so you just place it like this. And again, mine is upside down, but you guys get the picture. Adjust it, and again, I can't repeat this enough, but you can definitely take it out of the other one if you want black. And we are bonded down. Now I will personally say, because I knew I wanted to wear this one glueless, that's why I went ahead and added the elastic band, because this one helps everything to stay in place, and you kind of just brush it one good time to make sure everything marries together. This one is also technically a closure, which we don't have sideburns, and as you guys can see, I didn't even tame mine, but this one is a bigger closure, so you get closure space from here to ear to ear. So let's go ahead and do the dynamic duo as well as straighten this one, and then we'll be back to talk about it. Hey Google, cool down bedroom. Wow, this looks amazing, and she's still 100% glueless. My kids literally just walked in the door, so I have to convince them that we should buy this $2,000 dog, $2,500 dog. I'll be right back. Please hold. Okay, ladies, so not only, it's in my phone case, so cute. Not only are we done with the look, but we are back from dance. So this is me literally coming straight back in the house. I actually had on a different jacket. This one is still 100% glueless, no gel, no glue, no spray. So this one here is pretty much the natural black, and it is a 9x6 closure, and it's 100% glueless. You guys seen at the very end I did tint the lace a little bit. Before we go, I do want to show you guys this here, which was the third little box that was in my box. You guys seen I did take out the adjustable and obviously removable elastic band, so you basically get one for each wig, and you can switch them as you want. And then here, this one says ISEE Beauty, and this is simply a melt belt. You also get 2 of these, which are really cute because I've never seen, oh, even better, I thought these were 2 HD wig caps. This one here is an HD wig cap, and I love this box and packaging. Super cute and compact. And then you get a beautiful pair of mink lashes, and it does say ISEE hair right here, or ISEE eyelashes on the front and the back. Really, really nice packaging. And even though this is in a little mini box, you still get 2 wig caps just like you do with the old way that they used to pack them, and they're stored like this. Super cute. So that's pretty much it for this look. I really love this technology, and so far this is the best of this type of wig on the market. What I love most is that this one lays flat and seamless. You're not fidgeting too much, and it's not too hard to attach each of the replace lace closures. Sometimes you find that with things like this, it can be hard to hook it, or it's bulky or something like that, and this one kept it super simple and easy to follow along, even for my beginner girlies. And it also still remains a glueless closure wig with a flawless skin like lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys go. I'm headed out to dinner with the family. I will have the link and all the details on this wig down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.